truck. Welcome to the fire station's emergency response center. I'm Firefighter Kiki. There is an emergency call for help. Oh no, the building is on fire! Firefighter... There is thick smoke in... Firefighting is complete! Tap to equip the magical item! Arrived at the water filling station. Let's prepare to add water. Drag the hose to connect the fire. Turn the hose to tighten it. Which of these pipes can be connected? Great! Connect the rest of the pipes. Awesome! The pipes are all connected. Water is filled up. Loosen the hose. There is an emergency call for help! Help! Tap the person in the water and throw a life buoy. Slide the rope to pull the person out of the water. Rescue mission completed!
Move the red switch to raise the cutout.
There is an emergency call for help! What shall we do, Firefighter? Look! The pool is short of water, and the wooden bridge cannot be crossed. Let's fill the pool with water. Drag the hose to fill the pool with water. Fantastic! The wooden bridge has floated up and it can be crossed. There is an emergency call for help! Oh no, the super... There are 4 trapped people in the supermarket. Let's start looking for them. There is an obstacle. Get it cleared. Fire axe can split all blocking boxes. Move Kiki to find the trapped people. The trapped person is in danger. Thank you. The gas mask has strong protection. It can help isolate smoke and toxic gases. There's a fire. Put fire extinguisher can put out all fires. The trapped person is in danger. Not right. Thank you. Choose protective tools for the trapped. Not right.
Yeah!
Thank you. The trapped person is in danger. Not right. Not right. Oh! Thank you. Rescue all trapped people. Oh yeah! This is a perfect rescue. Kids, don't panic if there is a fire indoors. Waiting for firefighters to rescue. What?